So today in this class, we will be discussing about credit rating. That is module number 5 of your syllabus. So let us understand what is a credit rating. See, a credit rating agency is a company that assigns credit rating to the institutions that issue debt obligations. So what is a credit rating agency? It is an agency, organization which gives credit ratings to the institutions that issue debt instruments. Means, suppose ABC Limited company is there. It want to issue debentures. So we all know that debenture is a debt instrument. Debenture is a debt instrument. Correct. So now, before issuing this debt instrument, debenture, company will have to take the credit rating. From whom they will have to take the credit rating? From credit rating agency. For example, CRISIL is a credit rating agency. They will give rating to this debt instruments. Now ratings are of different types like AAA plus etc. AA. There are various ratings B, C, etc. Now, if this rating agency, rating company gives this rating, for example, AAA plus, okay, then it is the most safe, you can say, investment instrument. So as an investor, you need not take much efforts to study about the riskiness of the investment. You can just see the ratings given by the credit rating agency. Okay, if it is a debt instruments like debentures, bonds, etc. So before issuing, companies will have to take the credit rating from an independent agency. For example, CRISIL is one of the rating agency. So if they give rating to that particular debt instruments, based on that, you can take the decision whether to invest or not. Okay. Suppose if they give AA rating, then it is safe. Then you need not take much efforts to find yourself whether that investment is safe or not, etc. Okay. Based on that rating, you can easily invest in that instrument. Suppose some instrument is given a C rating, means it is a risky instrument. Okay, then you may or may not invest. It will depend upon your risk aptitude. Okay, so this is credit rating. See, here is the list of credit agencies in India, credit rating agencies in India. First is the, we have said CRISIL, that is the Credit Rating Information Service Limited, India. Okay, so this is the one of the credit rating agencies, and 7 SEBI registered agencies are there in India. Okay, so credit rating agencies should be registered under SEBI. See, so how many credit rating agencies are there in India? 7. Okay, one is the CRISIL. Then if you will go down, one is the ICRA, Investment Information and Credit Rating Agency of India. Okay. Then there is CARE, Credit Analysis and Research Limited. Then Acute Ratings and Research. Brickwork Rating India Private Limited. So these are all names of credit rating agencies in India. India Rating and Research Private Limited. And lastly, Informatrix Valuation and Rating Private Limited. So how many credit rating agencies are there in India? There are total 7 credit rating agencies and registered with SEBI. Okay. What are all that? CRISIL, ICRA, CARE, then Acute Rating and Research, Brickwork Rating India Private Limited, India Ratings and Research Private Limited, and Informatrix Valuation and Rating Private Limited. So there are 7 credit rating agencies in India. Now, how credit rating is denoted? A symbol of credit rating, see, it is given here. AAA means highest credit worthiness. We have seen less risky. Means if any instrument is given AAA rating, means it is the less risky, means it is having the highest credit worthiness. Okay. AA means very good. You can say very high credit rating. A means high credit worthiness. Good one. Triple B is also credit worthiness is sufficient. Double B means it is also credit worthiness is sufficient. B, C, credit worthiness is questionable. Here, risk will be there. Okay, because questionable means doubtful. Okay. Then triple C means highly questionable. CC means it is a case that issuer are likely to default. Means you will invest and you will not get back your money. That is the case of double C rating. And D means also same. R&I believes that all the financial obligations of issuer are in default. Okay. So from here, you can assume that risk will be there. Okay, if triple A, double A, very good category, then triple B and double B, you can say good category. Okay, then from B to D, it is questionable. So before issuing any debt instrument, every issuer has to take the credit rating from the credit rating agencies. Okay, there are 7 credit rating agencies now. So they can take the rating from that credit rating agencies. Understood? So these are the symbols: triple A, double A, triple B, BB, B, triple C, CC, and D. Okay. So these are the credit rating agencies. Notations, you can say how it is denoted, and what are the credit rating agencies in India. So there are 7 credit rating agencies in India registered with SEBI. And what are the notations or how it is denoted credit rating, that also we have understood. Now let us understand what is a credit rating. See, a credit rating is an opinion. What is credit rating? It is an opinion on the relative degree of risk associated with the debt or securities. So whenever credit rating agency is giving a credit rating, no, then it means it is an opinion of what degree of risk associated with that instruments, debt instruments. We have seen, no, various categories are there. Suppose it is given C, means it is highly risky, or you can say very risky. Okay, so you should avoid investing in such kind of instruments. So what is a credit rating? It is nothing but an opinion about the risk associated with that debt instruments. Okay, whether interest will be paid timely or principal amount will be repayment timely. So these all will be indicated by the credit rating. Suppose if any instrument is given AAA rating, means very good instruments, you will get timely interest and you will get the repayment of principal also on a timely basis. So there is no risk associated, you can say, with this instruments. Now, what is the purpose of credit rating? It assesses the credit worthiness of an individual. Individual means issuer. Who is issuing that instruments? No. Suppose if company is issuing debentures, that credit rating will assess the credit worthiness, whether he is in a position to repay the amount taken. So debt instruments means you should get the amount back. That is the meaning of debt. If you are giving some debt to somebody, loan to somebody, you should get back that amount. That is the meaning of a debt. So similarly, if a company issuer is taking a debentures issue, making a debentures issue, then it should repay that debentures after some years, and also it should pay the interest also, timely interest also. So by doing credit rating, you can come to know the credit worthiness of that issuer, whether he is in a position to repay that amount and whether he is in a position to give timely interest. Now, how rating is calculated? Basically, understand rating is calculated from financial history and current assets and liabilities. So, rating companies will check the financial history of that issuers. Okay, what is his previous financial history? Whether he has defaulted or not, etc. Whether he has repaid the amount timely in past. Okay, and they will see the current assets and liabilities position, and then they will give the rating. Okay, now it tells the lender or investors the probability of the subject being able to pay back the loan. So that rating will tell you whether you will get back your amount or not, and whether you will get the timely interest or not. That is the financial position, you can say. Credit worthiness of that issuer will be known by the credit rating. So today we will stop here. We have understood today what is a credit rating, what is a credit rating agency. Then we have seen about the different types of credit ratings. What are the types? AAA to C category we have seen. And we have seen the list of 7 SEBI registered credit rating agencies in India. Okay, so further discussion on credit rating we will continue in the next class. Okay, thank you everybody.